muntik na lumabas.
Grabe na, Agnes.
Ay, Chura. What you want? Kita yung
R.E.S.P.C.T.
Kita yung nota mo. Ano?
R.E.S.P.C.T. Tell you what it means to me. R.E.S.P.C.T.
Yaman, parang ganit lang. Parang nag-ano ka ng respeto. Parang humingi ng respeto.
Ano nangyari?
What you want? Baby, I got it.
Natulog ba dito?
What you need? Ewan ko lang.
Ewan ko lang.
All I'm asking.
Nasusuka na ako sa busog.
Just no respect when you come home.
Pangit to. Bisit. Ito una ko ipapaano. Paano ibalik sa dating kulay ang nguso? Ay. Sana naman, maayos na. Ayoko matanggal. Gusto kong itanggal. Super tagal na.
Kailangan ng rise. You can kill all the beats.
Asan yung isang ano?
She can bring your... She kill with a smile. Parang mali yun. She can kill with a smile. She can kill with a smile. Tama. She can kill with a smile. She can kill with a smile.
Chucky.
One of us is leaving.
Yeah,
diba?
Pero paulit-ulit mong sinasabi na gano'n. Hindi siya okay.
Why?
Wala akong respect.
Oh, my sister.
Kasi, alam mo yun.
Ban after mo ako
Why?
Basta.
Tell me. I want to know.
Ayoko. Basta. Aray ko.
I'm not letting you go until you tell me.
Ayoko. Wala akong sasabihin.
No, you're not gonna say anything. I just asked him.
Kontrabida ka kasi. Ayos ka?
It's just a question. What's up?
Tanggalin mo na sa utak mo yan, ha?
Dulce de leche. She can kill with a smile.
Plastic surgery, gusto mo papalit ng mukha. Plastic surgery namatay.
Siya, Anong date niyan, La Arnie?
Wala sinabi.
Ay, 2007 pa.
Ay, 19.
Hindi, yung Magna yan.
Why am I so sleepy?
Wala eh.
Wala.
December 13, 2007.